Bonjour tous! Welcome to my channel Frenchwithloveleen. Today we are going to learn the sound oo in French. Yes, it's oo. In Hindi Punjabi we have matras, oo ki matra. In Punjabi also we have oo, right? But in French we don't have matras, though we have accents, but those are quite few. Okay, so here today we learn sound oo. Oo is a combination of two letters. One is O, another one is U. In French, it is O and U. O, U. When these both letters comes together, they gives a sound oo. Oo, yes? So, I'm going to give you some examples. You repeat after and learn it. First example is Bonjour. Bonjour, right? This example is quite simple. We always say this, we greet it. Bonjour means hello, good morning, right? Second example is jour. Jour. Jour means day. It's again, see, O and U is coming here. It means it is oo. That is jour. Jour. Right? Next is coo. Coo. It's not coo, 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 koyal wala. It is coo, that is neck. In French, coo is neck. C-O-U. Or in French, it is C-O-U. That is coo, neck. Another one is fou. F-O-U. This is fou. Fou is crazy. We say, tu es fou? Tu es fou? Are you crazy? Right? So it is fou. Next is toujours. Toujours means always. Toujours. Two times oo is there. It's not necessary that in a one word only one time oo can come. O-U-U, right? N number of times whenever O-U-U will come, we have to pronounce it like oo only. Toujours. Always. Always, right? Next example is Couteau. Couteau. Couteau is knife. Couteau. Yes. Couteau means knife. Another example is Couper. C-O-U, right? Cou. P-E-R. It's a verb actually. E-R verb. Couper. Couper means to cut. Right? Couteau is knife. Couper is to cut. Okay, next example is rouge. Rouge. It's a color. Rouge means red. Rouge. Red. Next is écouter. 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 Écouter means to listen. To listen. Écouter. Listen. Next is vous. Vous. Vous means you. Vous means you. In French we have two kinds of you. One is tu, that is te, you, T and U. Another one is V-O-U-S, vous, means you. One is formal, another one is informal. So V-O-U, vous is formal one. Vous. Vous. Next is goûter. Goûter. Goûter means to taste, right? Goûter la soupe. Goûter la soupe. Soupe is again, yeah, it's one more example. Soupe. Soupe means soup. Goûter means to taste. O-U-U, right? Okay, so it was all about this oo sound. I hope you understood that whenever O-U is coming together, it gives a sound oo. For more sounds, for more pronunciation rules, keep on watching my videos. Bye-bye.